Hey everybody, I made 2 different cards. Come watch me make them. This is Maymay's tutorial. You could go to her channel and follow her tutorial. Then this tutorial is by Scrapper... I can't even say it. I can't say it. I don't even know how to say it. Go to her channel. This is her tutorial. So these are the 2 I made for Shannon's birthday. So I put my own spin on both of them. You'll see that this isn't in her tutorial, neither is the border. So I'm just doing a fast forward video of me making both of them. So I hope you enjoy it. Please give me a thumbs up, a shout out. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you real soon. Enjoy the rest of the video. I'm going to do a 2-part on the cards because while I was looking for Maymay's card, I found this really cute one, and it's this person on YouTube, and she gives you a template. So basically what I have to do is I have to cut this out.